Hey friends, welcome back to Law Creations. Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to give you an update quickly. It won't be a long video. I just wanted to share with you my progress on this particular display. So on the last video, I think I left it, it was just unpainted. The figure was unpainted. The wall in the back was brown, and I wanted to update and paint that gray. So I went ahead and painted the entire display just to give it, an overall touch. I gave it some weathering. I didn't go as crazy as I normally do with the weathering, but it's still early yet. I could still, see if I can add a little bit more. But what I have left to do is I want to add some lights, and I want to add like a torch or a light here, and just start adding some details to the display. Because the environment that I have to build in is small, I have to be kind of particular about the layout of the display. So that's kind of what I'm contemplating now in regards to, do I want him like in the forefront as such as he's displayed here? Do I want him in the corner like this? Like I think I was originally going to have him like that, because that opens some room here. And obviously I got plenty of room on the wall to do what I need to do. And yeah, but this particular axe is also a Loot Studio, so I 3D printed that. And this tree trunk here is just made from a little bit of insulation foam, carved it up a little bit, and gave it a quick little paint job. So it makes it look like an execution kind of, prop to kind of go along with this particular display. But it can, your imagination can take you, and you can put your own twist, your own story onto what's going on. But I have plenty more detail to add, and so on and so forth. I'll show you the figure real quick. He was unpainted last time we checked him out, so I went ahead and painted him up. And I just used some Vallejo paints, and, I gave him some touches of blood, nothing too crazy. But I did want to give it the realization that he is definitely, obviously, a prisoner, and he's been through a lot of, torment here. So that's kind of where my imagination takes me. So it's not the best paint job in the world, but it was the color scheme I wanted, and I think it came out pretty good. So that's that particular. And I already showed you this. Just a real quick little display. And this here is the piece. So you can see everything painted up and displayed. You got your wood, and I added some different browns and shades. I got the texture of like moss and like dampness in regards to the greens. I used some weathering pencils, which is basically watercolor pencils by AK Interactive, and I used some enamel wash. Do I have that here? Yep, it's I guess this stuff is really good. It's first time really using it, but it's Streaking Grime by AK Interactive. It really gives a nice touch of moisture, kind of moss growing, and yeah, mold I should say. But I added a little of that to the floor. Here's the corners, and same here. But that gives you an idea, and it's 7 inches by 5 inches. And then I have the glass unfinished here that will go here, and it'll be displayed. So this will be my third shadowbox diorama. I've been really enjoying creating these, because you can capture a really awesome scene in just a small display. And I do much better with smaller displays than I do larger. So, but a lot of this can be placed anywhere you like. If you guys have any thoughts in regards to you know, what to add, or, you know, the best setup for him, where I should place the figure in the diorama, please feel free to drop a comment, because any help would be welcomed. And I have some small little skulls here. It's Boss Fight Studios. And I had a skeleton piece that I went ahead and just chopped up, and I can always add the bones in the skull in later. I have an old crusted shield. I have more axes. I have quite a bit more I could add. So yeah, I just wanted to share this and give you the update. And I think the next video I'll share with you the finished display, so you guys can check it out. And it'll be all lit with torches, and it'll portray a really cool scene, medieval type of dungeon and dragons kind of scene. So yeah, but these are the AK interactive weathering pencils that I absolutely enjoy doing. It takes a little bit longer to weather with, but I actually don't mind how long things take me, because I really enjoy the process of doing things. And I'm never in a rush to finish something. I enjoy the process, and then you know, however long it takes me, And that's about it, guys. Give you up close and personal look at the wall, which I think I already did, but just to give you an idea. And one of the folks, subscribers, asked how I made this wall. I will do a video shortly and show how I made this wall. It's actually a pretty unique process. It's you know, not for everyone, and it was just something I had given some thought to, and I went ahead and did, and I was really happy with the results. So stay tuned for I guess a tutorial, but it's not for everybody, but I enjoyed doing it. So yeah, I appreciate you folks. Like, subscribe, share the video, comment please, and enjoy the rest of your night. All right? Thanks for hanging in there. Have a good night.